PEEWEE and all 6 of her babies. She's a mommy. Okay, PEEWEE, how many babies did you have? Hold on. She's busy. She can't talk right now, she said. Whoops. Can we see the babies? Look at this. Look at that. 3 hours. Bye. We had one born feet first. It's a good thing I came at the last minute to make sure everything was okay. But how many did she have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pretty little babies. PEEWEE, PEEWEE. She doesn't even want to look at me right now. You want water? You want to go outside?
No.
You want to go outside? She's like, leave me alone.
I'm having my babies.
Alright, Mama. Good job. Good job. There's my pretty girl. It's so pretty. Look. Say, don't be camera shy. Say hi. Whoops. Where's the camera? There. Oh. Are you worried about the little baby? Don't worry. That's a good mommy. Alrighty. That's it, guys.